Click Tools button and click Crop option and put 16:9 ratio. After click Sticker option. And open search bar and you can type this. And add this Naruto image. And you can put the Naruto image in right side. And you can lock the image. And you can open the sticker option and add this image. And first image put the downside. And you can put backside the Naruto image. You can open the stickers option and add the PicsArt app logo image. Add another PicsArt logo image and you can put it down. Can you PicsArt logo image opacity can decreased? And click a Tools option and click AI Enhance. And you can download the image. Adding text with by using ChatGPT. And you can click to download the thumbnail.